Hi, today we'll learn blend mode text in Adobe Photoshop. I have some photos here and I will apply orange photo in this glass. Go to orange picture, then choose quick selection and mask it. Press Ctrl Z on this keyboard to duplicate the layer. Now select this layer and move it. Press Alt and move it. Decrease the orange picture. Click the OK button, then go to FX panel. I will decrease the blend mode. Go to blending mode option and decrease the blending mode. Press Alt on this keyboard to make a point and decrease it. Now it looks good. Hit the OK button, then select the picture. Press Ctrl T and then click mouse right arrow key. Go to perspective and fix the image. If we want, we can apply this orange picture to another glass. So we'll drag it and drop it into the another one. Press Alt on this keyboard and move another picture. Zoom in on the photo and increase it. Subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos.